If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. Did you know that the average millionaire has 7 sources of income? And most of them are passive, meaning they don't require much time or energy to generate. You see, passive income is the key to building wealth and achieving financial independence. So, in this video, we'll show you some of the easiest and most effective passive income ideas you can start today and diversify your income. High-yield savings account. Saving money may not be the most thrilling topic, but it's definitely an important one. And high-yield online savings accounts can be perfect for your emergency funds, as they offer a higher interest rate than standard savings accounts. With these federally insured accounts, the interest you earn on these accounts will help your savings grow steadily over time. Plus, their rates are higher than the national average, which means more money in your pocket. If you're considering opening a traditional savings account, keep in mind that the interest rates are usually much lower, around 0.15% or even less. And to make substantial earnings, you would need to exceed the FDIC insured limit of $250,000. On the other hand, high-yield online savings accounts provide higher rates compared to typical banks. They even compete with certificates of deposit rates, all without the commitment of locking your money away for several years. Buy a blog. Buying an existing blog saves you much more time than starting from scratch, and this way, you can also start earning income right away. But of course, it's essential to have some prior knowledge and passion for the blog's subject. Now, let's talk numbers. Blogs are usually selling for around 24 times their monthly income. So if a blog is making $250 monthly, you can expect to pay around $6,000 to buy it. And that $6,000 investment can bring you $3,000 in cash flow every year. Some blogs have evergreen content, meaning they continue to generate passive income over time. So with just a $6,000 investment, you can secure lasting earnings. And if you put some effort into refreshing the blog with fresh content, you can sell it later for a nice profit. Passively invest in dividend stocks. It's no secret that stocks have played a major role in creating wealth for some of the wealthiest people out there. But you don't have to be a billionaire to get in on the action. When you own dividend-yielding stocks, you receive regular payments, usually every 3 months. The more shares you have, the more money you'll make in dividends. However, if picking individual stocks isn't your thing, dividend-yielding ETFs and mutual funds can do the trick. Now, here's a little nugget of wisdom. When it comes to your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable with, it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor. Publish an ebook. On average, a self-published author makes around $1,000 annually from their ebooks. Ebooks are usually around 30 to 50 pages long. That means you can capitalize on your expertise without having to write a whole encyclopedia. With online platforms like Amazon, you can experiment with different titles and prices to fit the sweet spot to attract even more readers. But don't stop at just one book. Build up your catalog and watch your customers' base grow. Dropship with Amazon. As a dropshipper, you buy products at a discounted price from wholesalers. Then you turn around and sell those very same products on Amazon for a higher price. With Amazon dropshipping, your earnings can range anywhere from $1,000 to a whopping $50,000 per month. The beauty of it all is that you can set up your Amazon store and start accepting orders in as little as 24 hours, and research is the only key. You just have to choose products that have a high demand but low competition. That way you'll have a greater chance of success in the dropshipping game. Start a YouTube channel. Starting your own channel not only allows you to share your passions and talents, but also opens up doors for that sweet passive income. YouTube pays you in 2 ways: sponsored videos and good old ad revenue. For every 1,000 ad views, you can expect to earn around $18. And for every 1,000 video views, you're looking at potential earnings between $3 to $5. It may not be a mountain of cash at first, but it adds up. So let's do a little math here. If you're attracting around 1,000 views a day, your monthly earnings could range from $90 to $150 per month. You just need consistency and quality content, so make sure you're uploading videos regularly and that each one really resonates with your audience. That's how you build a loyal following and keep those views rolling in. Create and sell digital art. With digital products, you create something amazing just once, and then you can sell it over and over again without any limits. In the digital art business, the earnings can range from a cool $50 to a jaw-dropping 6-figure sum. So, how can you sell your digital art and start raking in those dollar bills? Well, one cool option is to set up shop with Shopify. By creating a Shopify store, you can unlock the potential for automated sales and downloads, which means more money for you. That wraps up our exploration of these income streams. Feel free to share your thoughts on these opportunities. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care and see you soon.